So shout out to Ndidi Amaka for sending her name in. So I'm going to translate that name for you. Ndidi means patience, and that's basically the direct translation of that name. Ndidi literally means patience, and Amaka means, well, Ima means to be good, and that ka part at the end just means like really good, greater than, exceedingly better. So Ima means good, or you've probably seen part of that word or variation of that word, Oma. Oma means something good, right? Beautiful or good or things like that. So Ndidi Amaka basically means patience is really good, or patience is really beautiful, or patience is something that's really positive, something that you should always have. So